Everyone who paints with acrylics knows this moment. The color looks right on the palette and still turns out wrong on the canvas. Until now, mixing has been a matter of experience, intuition, and quite a lot of wasted paint. The color mixer doesn't guess, it calculates. Behind every recipe lies real color physics, based on the same physical theory used for paint formulation in the coatings industry. At its heart is the mixing calculator. Every color has its ratio. Every click instantly shows the result, with name, color value, and opacity. And because acrylic paint dries darker than it looks when wet, the color mixer shows you the dried shade before you even pick up a brush. And then there's the feature that changes everything. You spot a color in a fabric, a picture, a sky. Photograph it. One tap on the spot and the app translates that exact shade into a recipe made from your own pigments. It works in reverse too. Enter your target color and the app finds the way there, down to a delta E of 0.2. In other words, your eye can no longer tell the difference. One click and the recipe is loaded into the mixing calculator. For a quick start, there are ready-made palettes, from primary colors to entire color worlds. Every recipe fits into a single link. Anyone who opens it sees your exact mix, ratio by ratio. 93 artist pigments, real color physics, free in your browser, no sign-up required, formulation.app. Try it for yourself. Mix your colors before you ever touch real paint at formulation.app.